Welcome to my channel M Kormaka.
Welcome. Evaluate integration sec cube x dx. First write the integration sec cube x is not an integrable function, but we have to integrate this. You can use the formula integration by parts, but there need two functions, first function and second function. Was writing here or rememorize the integration by parts formula. Integration u v dx. Here two functions u and v. V is first function and v is second function. Formula is u integration v dx minus integration derivative of first function whole integration dx. This is the formula. So we have to get first two functions and one function must be integrable. Here in this case v should be chosen such that v is integrable function. See, in this case if we write sec x and sec square x, get two function. In these two function, what function is integrable? Sec square x integrable and easily integrable because there is formula integration sec square x dx equal to tan x plus c. So obviously, first function we consider sec x and second function sec square x. Now use the formula of integration by parts, that is first function sec x integration second function minus first function derivative, that means d dx sec x integration second function sec square x dx whole integration. Separate, draw a line. Now sec x as it is integration sec square x tan x minus differentiation of sec x tan x integration of sec square x. Here we have shown the formula tan x dx. That is equal to sec x tan x minus, simplify this, sec x tan square x. Now here again two functions sec x tan x. If again we choose first function x and second function tan square x, no, tan square x is not directly integrable function. So first use the formula tan square x is equal to sec square x minus 1. In memory regression we see that whenever we multiply x square x minus 1 by sec x, then sec cube x will get, and we are integrating sec cube x, so we will get same function what we have started. So sec x tan x minus writing sec x tan square x means sec square x minus 1 dx. Now break into parts. Sec x tan x minus x and sec x square x sec cube x minus and minus plus here dx plus sec x dx. Now we think if I is equal to integration sec cube dx, that means what is to be integrated, assume that that is equal to I. Now sec x tan x minus I plus integrating this log of modulus sec x plus tan x plus c, where and tan x plus left hand side I and right hand side minus I y plus log sec. So I, that is half of tan x tan x plus cancel